Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I am really excited because I finally have the fall Fab Fit Fun box, and actually I have not looked at what's inside this box online, or nor have I watched a video on YouTube. So I have no idea what's in this box, and I am so excited because the last two boxes I have known what's inside, and this one will be a little different because I don't, and it will be a huge surprise. And I literally saw the mail truck lady at our neighbor's house because I had our front door open, and I ran outside and said, "Oh my gosh, my box is here." And she's like, "You must have been waiting on that." And I got that confirmation that it had been shipped, but I never know how long it's going to take to get from California to here, because I think that's where they come from. Yeah, Chino, California. I have no idea where that is, but I just know it takes a little longer to get here. So it's here, and I'm so excited to share it with y'all today. But first things first is I want to show y'all my makeup. And I used the like the pink Naked palette, and I really like what I did. And I have a lipstick on from a matte collection they did with Patrick Starr like years ago, which is, I should have probably thrown away the lipstick because it's probably old, but it worked pretty well. And that's what I'm wearing, so it looks pretty good. And my hair is super greasy. I did my makeup and my hair, not my hair, so it's just like I have like 500 bobby pins in my hair, but it's working, okay? And another thing I want to share with y'all is that I have never ordered from Rosy Days, which is a online boutique from YouTuber Casey Holmes, and I finally got to purchase some things from her, and I'm really excited because one is that the limited t-shirts that she has, they sell out like hotcakes. And I am so excited because last time I just missed the launch. I was too late. I thought it was because she's in Georgia, and so when they launched, I forgot about the time zone difference, and so I was late to it. And by the time in that hour span, all the sizes had sold out, so I didn't get one. So I'm really sad, but I got my hands on the fall ones and the Halloween one. Super excited. I was on my phone ready to go, and actually when I did order, I had it pulled up on my phone. I was ready to go, had it all in my cart ready to go, and all of a sudden my screen just like went white. Like on shopping on their website, it just went white, and I'm like freaking out. I grabbed Thomas's phone, I ordered it on his phone, and it worked. So I'm super excited. But they came in like the other night, and so I wanted to show y'all them. This is, they use comfort colors for their logo tees and everything, but this is the fall one, and it's so cute. It's got this little pumpkin on the pocket, and this is the back. Is that not cute? I'm so excited. It's actually the color I'm wearing today, is because this shirt is comfort colors as well that I got in Panama City. But yeah, so there's that one, and this is the Halloween one. It's this pretty purple. On the pocket, it's got little like the witch broom. Well, it's Rosy Day, but that's kind of like the broom, and then the three witches. And then on the back is her puppy dogs. Is that not cute? In the little bottom part it says, "I put a spell on you." And I don't know, I'm just super excited to have these and to support her. And the next thing I got from her, I made 2 different orders because I was really scared I was gonna miss out on those 2 t-shirts, so I made 2 orders. I got these really pretty almost called blankets, bracelets. They're beautiful. I'm super excited about those. Henry's friend is outside. Henry,
buddy. Henry. Henry. Come say hi. Come here. Henry.
Okay, I'm back. Hopefully everybody has decided to stop barking, and I can continue on with my video. So the last thing I got from Casey Holmes Boutique is this really cute like pajama set lounge outfit, I want to say, but it's just this really pretty gray, such a nice material. It's really lightweight, it's kind of fuzzy, And then it has these really cute matching shorts. Is that not cute or what? They have little pockets. But it is from the brand Fantastic Fawn. Anyways, I'm just really excited about the couple of things I got. And yeah, so let's go ahead and open this box and see what I got. I had scissors. Here they are. Okay. I think I needed scissors. Do I need scissors to open this? Okay, yeah, just this little big old sticker here. I am really excited. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Oh my god, this looks freaking awesome. I'm so excited. This might be like the best box yet that I've gotten. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's just start with this. It's from Aveda. My camera did awesome just now. It's a damage remedy daily hair repair, instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. It must be like a, yeah, it's kind of like a gel. It smells really good. Let's just figure out how much this is. I'm gonna just go ahead and like keep this open. It looks like it retails for $30. So that's pretty awesome. Alright, the next thing I have is from a brand Human Plus Kind skincare with a conscience. I can't really say that word. Body souffle cream. Is this like a scrub? Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Human Plus Kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Oh, it's a lotion. Of course they have the sticker on it. Okay, let's figure out how much this is. This retails for $18. Oh, this smells really nice. It smells really good, y'all. It's really lightweight. And it smells, oh, that smells amazing. That smells so good. On here on the little magazine, it does say, lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. That smells really good. I really like that. I've actually never heard of that brand, so that's pretty cool. The next thing I have is from, I think it's just from, okay, that's the brand. The brand is Harper Plus Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. These retail for $16. They're just these really cute little cubes, so that's pretty awesome. Let's see. Ooh, they kind of remind me of like kiwis, but a really clean scent. I like those. Did I say how much they are? $16. Okay, next thing I have is a hair towel. Well, this is pretty nice because I actually don't have one of these. I usually just, I do get showers at night, and when I do wash my hair, I just really towel dry it really well and then go to bed in wet hair, which is not the best thing to do. It's hands-free, lightweight, drying hair towel. So it's just one of those things that you can like, you know, put on your head and then like pin it up so it stays. But this is After Spa Hair Towel Wrap. It says this towel is designed for an elastic loop and button to comfortably dry and hold your hair up. And that is $18. That's pretty cool. I've used one of these in the past, but I don't know where it is, so. The next thing in my box is from Cosmetics, Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. What the heck are these? I don't even know what that is, guys. Okay, so this little thing is, nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure absorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. That is $54. So it's these little like crystals in this little container that I guess you can put in like a lotion of your, you know, a favorite lotion of yours. You can add it in or mix it in. It's kind of interesting. I've never really seen anything like that. I really thought this was a makeup palette, but it actually ends up being a baggage claim gold eye masks. It says Wander Beauty baggage claim gold eye mask 6-pack. These eye masks feature
I don't know how to say any of these words, Henry. These eye masks feature hyaluronic, I don't even know what the heck that word is. Acid,
aloe leaf extract and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. I'm really sad. I thought this was a makeup palette, but it's not. They're just eye masks, individual wrapped. It's pretty cool though. I probably have like dark circles, so that's kind of neato. What do we have next, guys? I have a scarf. It looks like from ooh, this is really soft. From Plush. Stay warm and stylish, ultra soft plaid scarf. That's cute. Let's see how much this is. $75 for a scarf. I think these people just make up these prices and put it in here because that's kind of ridiculous. That's really, really expensive for a scarf. But it's navy. It's cute, but I would not ever pay $75 for a scarf. Okay, the next thing is, I'm not really sure. To a Kate Spade lunch tote. That's kind of funny though, because the other day at work in the morning, I don't know what happened to my lunchbox, or honestly what happened to my pineapples that I had in my lunchbox, but I was picking it up to go inside to work, and all of a sudden I noticed like under where my seat is, it was wet. I'm like, what the heck? And then it started smelling like pineapples, and I'm like, great, my pineapples must have exploded, got all over my lunchbox, got all over the seat. But actually the lunchbox that I did have, I've had it since like high school, so I just put it in the dumpster and went on my way. But this is really cute, and it is from Kate Spade, and it's like a creamish kind of color, but it's kind of cute. This will actually be really nice. That's hilarious though. What are the odds that I throw away a lunchbox because it's old and then I get one in this box? So that's kind of cute. It's kind of small though. Oh no, it's not. That's I don't know. I just can't get over the fact that I literally needed a lunchbox and I get one in this box. So it has, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but it says out to lunch on the very front. And yeah, that's really cute. I really like that a lot. Well guys, that is all I have. Look at that. That's so cute. I love it. Sweet. That's perfect. So yeah, everything out of the box, what ended up being my favorite thing is probably this lotion. This lotion, I'm not kidding you guys, it smells so good. And I really can't even tell you. What are you doing, Henry? He's getting the, I'll have to show you what he's doing. But it just smells so good. So, and I'm pretty excited about this hair mask. But yeah, that's everything that I got in this box. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would be really nice. And I get so excited when I get new subscriber. I don't know what my problem is, but I literally cannot talk lately. But yeah, what is y'all's plan for the weekend? I probably will try and get this video up this probably tonight after I get done filming it. Right now it is Saturday at 4:51. So cool. I was gonna make this really, oh my god, this recipe that I found on Pinterest, and it was like, it used these like cheese buitoni noodles that are like cheese ravioli. I used those, diced tomatoes, hot Italian sausage, cream cheese and chicken broth, and oh my god, it just looks so good. But I think I might still try and make it, but the way that I found it on Pinterest was saying that it needed to be made in the crock pot, but I don't see a problem with just making it on the stove. But does that not look amazing, or what? Oh, I just cooked on it. That does not look amazing, or what? So yeah, I might try and make that later. I might go to the store right now to get the ingredients. But, oh, another thing, have you all seen, oh my god, I'm sure y'all have, but the new iPhones look amazing. I'm pretty happy still with my phone. Nothing's wrong with it, but I just really love to have the latest iPhone. I don't know why, it's weird, probably terrible, like how spoiled do I sound, but I buy them myself, so hey buddy, what have you done with this thing? You're so sleepy. Oh, poor baby.